Meaning of dogsled.
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 Dogsled. A dogsled is a vehicle that is pulled by a team of dogs, typically used in colder regions for transportation or recreational purposes. The sled itself is generally made of wood or plastic and has runners underneath for smooth movement over snowy terrain. The dogs are harnessed to the sled in a specific formation, with a lead dog at the front setting the pace and direction. Dog sledding has a rich history and is still popular today as a sport and tourist attraction in various parts of the world.